Hi Josh, it's Miss Jen and Gigi, and we're here to make a video for you. Gigi, look. What are we going to learn about?
Adding up to 5.
Adding up to 5. So remember, that's when we take two numbers and we put them together. So here's a video we're going to start with, and it should work. Hold on. Here we go, Josh. Let's watch it.
Give me 5, give me 5, give me 5, 5, 5.
Do 5. Ready?
Let's make 5. Give me 5,
Give me 5, give me 5, 5, 5, 5.
let's make 5. 4 and 1.
4 and 1 equal 5.
Let's make 5. 3 and 2. You know it's true. Let's make 5. 5 and 0. You're an adding hero. Let's make 5.
5.
Give me 5.
Give me 5, give me 5, 5, 5. Let's make 5.
Give me 5.
Give me 5, 5, 5. Let's make 5. 1 and 4.
That's for sure. Let's make 5. 2 and 3. Add up
2
to 5.
and 3.
Let's make 5. 0 and 5.
0 and 5. Let's make 5.
Give me 5. Give me
5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Let's make 5.
4 plus 1 equals
4
5.
and 1.
3 plus 2 equals 5. 5 plus 0 equals 5. 1 plus 4 equals 5. 2 plus 3
2 plus 3.
equals 5. 0 plus 5 equals 5. Give me 5, give me 5, give me 5, 5, 5. Let's make 5.
Wow, so we saw how we can make 5 by putting numbers together. 1 and 4. When you push them together equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right?
0 plus 5 makes 5.
And 0 plus 5 makes 5. Gigi, is there another one you can do that makes 5? What about 2? 2 plus what?
3 equals 5.
2 plus 3 equals 5. Today, we're going to talk about something very important, Josh. We're talking about washing hands, right? Because we all need to be clean and safe. So when we wash hands, and you do this in our classroom and you do it at home, what's the first thing we have to do, Gigi? Turn on the water, right? And then after we turn on the water,
Get soap.
we wet your hands. We got to get our hands wet. And then we turn the water off to save water. We don't want to waste water, so we turn it off. And then what do we get?
Soap.
We get our soap, and we get our hands all nice and bubbly. And we wash our hands for 20 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
20. We washed our hands for 20 seconds. Then we turn the warm water on and we get all the bubbles off our hands. And finally, we dry our hands with a paper towel. Keep our hands nice and dry. And we turn off the water with a paper towel. That's something new. At home, we use our hands to turn off the water. But sometimes at school, or if we're out at the restaurant or the playground, we don't want to get germs back on our hands, so we use a paper towel to turn it off. And then we throw it in the garbage or in the trash. And the last thing, Josh, this is your favorite. Josh loves to put